if all goes according to plan, I should be able to get out into my fields next week. This is the new 20-inch double D L series, okay? If you go way back through my videos, I've got the original 20-inch double D coil. I've always stood by the point that it's my favourite. You know, it's a brutal coil. The older one was made from carbon fibre, so it, you know, when you had wet ground, I had to keep tuning it down because it was so sensitive, and that kind of, you know, defeats the whole object of buying a coil to go really deep. And I'm not talking 8-9 inches of pinpointed depth. That's actually really shallow for these machines, okay? I've said that loads. Would I use this in iron contaminated ground? No, I wouldn't. That would be absolutely ridiculous. But if I'm on a site where, you know, you've got sporadic pieces of iron with potential non-ferrous targets just scattered, you know, a kind of run-of-the-mill site, nothing too heavy duty, I would feel perfectly happy and confident using this, okay? This is running at, what is it, 5.7 kilohertz, all right? It's not designed for unmasking. This is designed for out and out depth. When I hunt with my low frequency coils, I have the meter on, I have VCO tones off, I have an audible threshold, so this is what I hear. Okay. With all low frequency coils on the V3 and the V3 Plus, keep the disc on 0, okay? But the beauty of the V3 Plus is you can switch to momentary VCO with the switch below to check targets, okay? But just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm actually going to turn VCO tones on. Okay, so what we got here is a silver sixpence. We've got a 2-inch elevation, we got a lumpy flathead on a relatively large nail, okay? Going to put that there. There is so much shit in the ground, so it will start triggering off some of the crap, okay? Right, going to put that directly underneath. Remove it. Put it back. And I can lift that coil up, right up, look. Still seeing it. Okay, so what I got here is a 4.5 inch elevation, same nail, silver sixpence. Put the sixpence there, put that there, put that there. I can lift the coil, lower it down a bit. Beautiful. And it's actually IDing it correctly, at least one way, with the white LED there. Lift the coil up. Take it out. Put it back in. There you go. Point of this video, simple. Don't underestimate the larger low frequency coils, okay? Because they're vicious.